Hello everyone, I am Stephanie, and on Lavish Wamish we explore, or what I say, towards the future of technology in Asia in the fields of AI, robotics, and electronics. Well, topic for today is how the pandemic, coronavirus, is pushing robots to workforce and building a managed economy. We all saw during the past some weeks, the hospitals are effectively using robots to carry out unmanned operations in the delivery of meals and disinfection, etc., to reduce the risk of infection. According to reports coming from China, large manufacturers are also taking action. Shenyang Xingsong Robot Automation Company, a large industrial robot manufacturer, provided robots that distribute meals and medical supplies to local hospitals in February. Large e-commerce company, Jingdong, in Wuhan in February, equipped with self-driving trucks to transport medical supplies and daily use. Robots have been used in confined spaces such as factories and warehouses. Nowadays, robots can be used in pedestrian spaces because they can take diversified and safe actions by using the same control technology as car autopilot. At first, robots were introduced to solve the problem of shortage of manpower. And now, with the outbreak of the new coronavirus, people's attention to robots have steadily increased. 2.2 billion US dollars, a year-on-year increase of 33%. The growth rate of service robot sales in China is more than double the overall growth rate of the world. And Hao Yuchen, Secretary General of the China robot industry, Alliance, pointed out that affected by the new coronary pneumonia pandemic and focusing on new fields, the demand for robots will increase in the future. So, while we are doing social distancing, the robots are filling the space between us. Let's see what future holds for us. If you like the video, just like and subscribe to this unique channel where I and my team bringing you a new knowledge about technology in Asia. And also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. We reached a strong community of over 5,000 of the time I'm taking this video. So see you in next video and bye!